Yo, what's up YouTube? Hey, I just realized I haven't done a bike check in a while. Just got a new bike and I've had it for a couple months, but I didn't really go over what all is on it, so here's my bike check. Check it out. First of all, start with the frame. It's a 2016 Lineage HARO. It is not a Sport or Master, it is just the Lineage. And pretty sweet bike. It weighs in at just under 5 pounds, and it's not bad for for an all-around bike. It's pretty light. We'll start with the cranks. These are DK copper-coated cranks, and the bottom bracket's a Colony bottom bracket. The chain wheel is Odyssey 27-tooth chain wheel, and chain is obviously a Shadow Conspiracy chain. And going back to the rear wheel, we've got a Stolen Rampage wheel with a 9-tooth cog, and of course I've got Black Ops pegs. These are the steel ones, and the ones on the left side are actually plastic. The funny thing is, I didn't know that they were until I started grinding on them. I thought they were both plastic, but this actually is steel with a plastic sleeve on the outside, and this one is all plastic. But I found out that riding Brian's ramp, it's probably best to run plastic pegs because it's wood and he doesn't have any metal on it, so it grinds a lot better with plastic pegs. So I'm gonna go with that. And moving on up to the seat, I've got a Sabrosa seat and seat post combo. And moving up to the stem, I've got a Sputnik stem, and headset is an Odyssey headset. It's got an FSA spacer, but that's just so that I could get the forks. You know, forks are kind of long, so I had to space it pretty good. Anyway, up to the handlebars, we've got the HARO 78 handlebars. I don't know if you can see that sticker or not. And then up to the levers, we've got Odyssey levers, left and right. These are module levers, the mid-sized ones. And I'm just running a regular straight cable on the rear now because I kind of like the way it pulls, and I don't do a lot of bar spins and stuff like that, so I really don't need a gyro. And finally put my front brake back on just so that I can do tricks and stuff, and actually thinking about starting to do nose picks now. Brian's got me inspired with that. Anyway, okay, so down to the front wheel, we've got the Rampage, Stolen Rampage wheels, and they got the black spokes with the black hub, and the blue rims, which really sets off this bike. And then down to the pedals, I've got the Stolen Thermalite pedals, which are really nice. I like the way that they grip. I like the way how big they are. They kind of remind me of the old Primo pedals. And that's basically it. So that's my new bike, and I hope you guys like this. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notifications because it doesn't automatically happen when you subscribe anymore. And hit that like button, and peace. Oh, and one more thing. Check out some more videos right here. Peace.